Aloha, welcome to Island Power Yoga. My name is Chieko and I'm the founder, and I'm so excited that you are coming through these doors or thinking about coming and meeting us. So a few things to expect when you come into the studio. Number one, be on time or be early. This is a start on time studio and end on time studio. The classes are 60 minutes, and so you are giving us the 60 minutes, and we want to make sure we pack it with a wonderful experience, starting with as soon as you walk in the door. If you've forgotten anything, we have it for you. So we have mats, towels, and water available for purchase or rental, and if you come in from work and you don't have a yoga outfit, that's okay. We also have a boutique studio that you can purchase anything that you need in order to continue with your practice. When you come into the studio, it is a warm environment, including not just the way we greet you and the community, but literally the room is going to be heated. So our heated classes are Sculpt and Vinyasa. These are going to be somewhere between 86 and 96 degrees, so it is warm. Bring some water. If you're looking for a cooler format, I suggest Yin, Restorative, or Yin Yang Fusion. Another piece that you can find here at the studio is this amazing community. We have so many wonderful people that love to practice here, and it just makes the space and energy here amazing. So we look forward to you being a part of our community. Aloha.